Here is Dramawave app. So here you can just go and install it. Stream endless drama shorts, world premiere, multiple resolutions, diverse genres. So this is a new app where you can just stream all these vertical dramas and shorts. So here you can just go in there and then you can take a look at it. And then you can enable notifications, but basically you just have all of these movies here, so you can just take a look at them. Then you have my list, and then you have your profile. So this is your profile, and then yeah, you have settings. If you want, you can delete your account from here. You can top up your wallet. You can watch some gifts. You can get some free coins. However, this app then is super expensive, so I don't know honestly if this is the best app for that, because yeah, it charges you like $200 yearly, so it's quite a lot. So yeah, so you just need to think, because at least there are apps like Dramabox which have a lot of movies for that money, so maybe you might consider those apps. So yeah, at the moment that's just what you have.